I spent the last few months digging through the Amazon tech jungle to find the best gadgets worth buying in 2025. There is a lot of junk out there designed to drain your wallet faster than your phone battery, but hidden in that mess are a few rare finds, gadgets that actually make life smoother, smarter, and a little more efficient. So instead of wasting cash on gimmicks, here are the 10 gadgets that are genuinely worth it. Make sure to check the links in the description for the best deals and discounts on all the products mentioned in this video. Let's start simple, with power. The Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini costs less than lunch, but it's one of those small upgrades that changes how your home works. Unlike the bulky ones that hog both outlets, this plug is compact enough to fit two side by side. Connect it to Wi-Fi and suddenly any dumb appliance becomes smart, like your lights, coffee makers, space heaters. You can schedule them, monitor power use, or control everything with your voice through Alexa or Google Assistant. Need the coffee brewing before you're out of bed? Done. Forget to turn off the iron? Do it with one tap from your phone. For $8, it's the easiest entry point into smart home automation, and it works so well you'll start looking around the house wondering what else you can automate.
When you've got your devices under control, it's time to make the house smarter. That's where the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced earns its keep. It's not just a fancy screen on the wall. It learns your schedule, senses when you're home, and adjusts heating or cooling automatically. Geofencing starts the climate shift as you're heading back from work, and Eco Plus technology keeps energy use low without freezing or roasting you. This results in up to 26% off your energy bills. Installation takes less than an hour, with the app walking you through each step. Once it's running, you'll notice a reduced utility bill and a house that's always the right temperature without you lifting a finger. Now that your home's saving energy, you need a way to control it without touching a switch. That's where the Echo Dot 5th generation comes in. This version finally sounds good. Deeper bass, clearer voices, and a smoother response time. The built-in Zigbee hub lets it connect to lights, locks, and sensors directly. No extra hardware needed. Just say, "Alexa, good night," and the whole house powers down. Your doors lock, lights fade, thermostat adjusts. What makes it great is that it quietly handles the routine stuff so you don't have to. It's a small sphere that turns a scattered house into one connected system.
If you're an Apple guy though, you already know where this is going. The HomePod Mini delivers Apple's trademark balance of sound quality and simplicity. That S5 chip isn't marketing fluff. It actually adjusts audio in real time based on the room's acoustics. For something smaller than a coffee mug, it fills a space with surprisingly rich, balanced sound. Walk in with your iPhone and the music instantly hands off. Pair two of them and you've got clean stereo imaging that outperforms most Bluetooth speakers. It doubles as a hub for your HomeKit devices, such as locks, thermostats, lights, all tied together under Siri control. And because it uses on-device processing, your basic commands never leave the room. It's clean, discreet, and reliable. Exactly what you expect from Apple when they focus on the details. You've got smart sound and control. Now it's time to fix the part of your day that technology usually makes worse: mornings. The Hatch Restore 2 isn't a gimmick alarm clock. It uses gradual light to wake you the way your body actually wants to wake up. Instead of being blasted out of sleep by a digital foghorn, the room brightens slowly, syncing with your circadian rhythm. The result? You feel human when you open your eyes. At night, it reverses the process. Soft lighting, calm ambient sounds, and routines you can customize from the app. The auto-dimming display disappears when it's dark, so it doesn't glow like a UFO on your nightstand. It's a small, stylish fix for better sleep and better mornings. And when you finally get out of bed, the GoveeLife Smart Kettle makes sure your morning starts right. This thing boils 1.7 liters of water fast with its 1,500 watts, and it's precise down to the degree. Set the exact temperature for your green tea, black tea, or pour-over coffee, and it hits it perfectly every time. The glass design lets you see the boil in real time, and the app control means you can start it from bed. Scheduling lets you have hot water ready when you walk into the kitchen. There's a 2-hour keep warm function, automatic shut-off, and full Alexa and Google integration. Once you've used it, you'll never go back to a basic kettle again, but automation doesn't stop at the kitchen door. The Kasa Matter Smart Outdoor Plug brings that same intelligence to your yard or patio. 2 outlets you can control independently. each rated for 15 amps, weather-resistant, UL certified, and fully compatible with Alexa, Google, and Apple HomeKit, thanks to the new Matter standard. You can schedule lights to turn on at sunset, run a fountain on a timer, or set away mode to make the place look lived in while you're gone. It's quick to set up, tough enough for any weather, and doesn't need a separate hub. Simple, reliable, exactly what outdoor gear should be. And if you found this video valuable so far, you know what to do. Hit that like button and subscribe to stay on top of the latest, coolest gadgets that matter to you the most.
Inside the house, there's another tiny device that solves a universal frustration: losing your keys. The KeySmart iPro takes the chaos of a jangly keychain and turns it into a sleek metal organizer that holds up to 14 keys. It integrates with Apple's Find My network, so if your keys disappear, you can make them ring or see their last known location on a map. If someone's iPhone passes near them, you'll get an update automatically. It's got a replaceable 1-year battery, a built-in flashlight for dark locks, and a design that feels premium without being bulky. One of those rare gadgets that actually removes stress from your life. Power's important too, and there's one device that fixes the most annoying part of every home setup: those unreachable outlets behind furniture.
The Easy Outlet Extender telescopes out from 22 to 34 inches, rotates 180 degrees, and gives you 2 AC outlets plus USB-A and USB-C ports right where you need them. No crawling behind the bed, no unsafe extension cords snaking across the room. Plug it in, adjust the length, and you've got clean, accessible power. It even includes a phone cradle so your device isn't dangling mid-charge. It's ETL certified, solidly built, and makes every outlet in your house usable again. A simple, practical invention that instantly feels like it should have existed years ago. Meanwhile, here is another gadget that lasts for years and proves a small gear can still deliver big results.
The JBL Go 4 looks small enough to lose in your backpack, but it sounds like you're in the front row at Tomorrowland. Almost. 4.2 watts of output power, Bluetooth 5.3, and a full 90 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range, meaning it actually hits low notes most tiny speakers can't even attempt. It's IP67 rated, so dirt, dust, rain, none of it matters. Drop it in a puddle and it keeps playing. It has 9 hours of battery life, or longer if you use Playtime Boost. And if you want to fill a room, you can link multiple Go 4s through Auracast or pair 2 for true stereo sound. It's compact, built tough, and sounds way bigger than it looks. For under $45, this one is a steal. These gadgets are great for everyday life, but if you want to see the tech that takes your entire house to the next level, watch this video next to discover 10 genius smart home gadgets. And don't forget to subscribe.